Hey there! I'm thrilled to chat about blob storage in Microsoft Azure and how we can really master this powerful service for our enterprise needs. Imagine this blob storage as the backbone of a robust data storage infrastructure, empowering us to effortlessly handle colossal amounts of unstructured data. It's not just about storage, though it encapsulates everything from archiving crucial documents to serving dynamic media content in the browser itself. Now, let's dissect the core components of blob storage and understand its architecture for optimal deployment. Picture the simplicity of how Azure Blob Storage operates using containers and blobs, organizing data into manageable units that can be quickly uploaded, accessed, and retrieved. These blobs can hold anything from text to pictures, videos, and even virtual machines. But the power kicks in when we realize how blob storage offers various access tiers: hot, cool, and archive, which means we have control over our costs depending on how frequently we access this data. Azure lets us set granular access permissions through permissions, so we can manage who does what without touching the data itself. Plus, integrating blob storage with Active Directory policies makes it a breeze to extend our security to this service as well. All this is topped off with the ability to handle object sizes that go well beyond what our traditional storage mechanisms could withstand. With Azure Blob Storage, we can set up a multi-regional or a single-region architecture for the deployment, tailored to our specific needs. It's about choosing the right approach for reliability and performance, like using the geo-redundant storage, which offers the utmost redundancy across multiple availability zones and regions. Not to forget, Azure Blob Storage also provides the option to tap into the hybrid solution, linking it with our on-premises storage for seamless access. Now, get ready for a step-by-step guide. First, we start by creating our storage account within the Azure portal, followed by setting the right access tiers for our blobs. Then we establish a secure context for our application, ensuring minimal latency for user experiences and safeguarding our data. We'll set up lifecycle management policies to automatically transition blobs between tiers, helping us govern our costs efficiently. After that, we configure our blob storage accounts to integrate with existing data-intensive applications with relative ease. With our foundation set, let's dive into some troubleshooting. Even the best of us encounter glitches, and with Azure's Azure Storage Explorers alongside Azure Monitor's logs and metrics, we're never alone in the fight against data storage gremlins. We'll employ the storage emulator for local development, imitating Azure's blob storage environment for real-world testing. Finally, we'll discuss best practices, keeping ourselves informed about the latest security protocols, understanding our cost and usage patterns to manage expenditures, and embracing continuous integration and continuous deployment techniques for smoother updates without disrupting our storage system. In a world where data grows exponentially, Azure Blob Storage stands as our steadfast ally, allowing us to store, retrieve, and stream data securely and efficiently. Our business can flourish, backups can be relentless, and data can remain accessible to our users as we scale to meet demands. And remember, with the best insights and strategies for blob storage that you can have, you'll not just compete but thrive in the vast expanse of Azure's cloud ecosystem. Want to stay on the cutting edge? Visit neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab. Let's continue building a future with technology that empowers us all.